You saw in the video is shipping containers. Perfect example to understand Docker containers from different perspective. Containers are mainly used to ship cargoes like bicycles, bikes, cars, buses, aeroplane, space station. Well, I think space station is too much. But anyway, point is we use containers to store some stuff and transport it. Similarly, in a Docker container, we store our application and then deploy it on a server. In this video, let's see what is containerization. Before knowing about containerization, first see which problem it is solving. Let's assume you have developed one software which works on a Node.js version 10 and you want to deploy it. So earlier we used to install a specific version of Node.js manually on a server and then we used to execute our software on it. But imagine you have created another software and this time new software demands Node.js version 18. And here you will face actual problem. You cannot deploy your software on the same server because current active Node.js version is 10. To solve this problem, containerization technique has been introduced. In containerization, so we basically bundle all the dependency along with our software. So since dependency is installed inside the container rather than on operating system, now we can run multiple containerized application with different Node.js version on a same server. Not just that, containerization brings a lot of other features like portability, scalability, fault tolerance, agility, and many others. We will see all of them when we will learn Docker, but for now, let's learn how containerization application lifecycle works. Okay, so the journey of containerized application start with developer. Developer first develop softwares, then they use containerization tools to build container images of that software. So there are multiple containerization tools available in the market. Docker is one of them. Then the infrastructure layer comes into the picture. Now obviously, to deploy and run containerized application, we need servers. So this infrastructure layer is hardware layer in which we create servers. Then after infrastructure layer means when you have server hardware ready, operating system layer comes into the picture. So Linux is the popular operating system for the containerization and it is the first choice for majority of the developers. Then once we have our server setup ready, container engine comes into the picture. This container engine creates container from the container images. Container engine also manages multiple container on a same server. This container engine is also a communication medium between operating system and the containers. And once we have container running on a server, deployment process is done. You can peacefully use your application from anywhere. That's how easy it is to use containerized application. So I think that's enough for this video. See you in the next one.